Basic grammar serves as a structural foundations of a language, or in other words we can say that it is an important tools to construct a meaningful sentence and avoid errors while writing and speaking. So today in this topic I will cover some of the most common basic grammar concept. Don't need to worry, I'm going to keep this topic very simple so that you can better understand each and every topic easily. Namaskar, I'm Rita. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. In my YouTube channel, someone comment me that he is a beginner in English learning journey and he don't know which topic should he learn first, and he is struggling lot with the basic English grammar. So today I'm going to talk about the basic grammar. Those who are beginner in English learning journey and don't know which topic should learn first to write and speak English, then definitely this video is for you. Those who are struggling with the basic English grammar and don't know that which topic should you learn first, then stay with me in this video till the very end. Without any further ado, let's get into the topic. First is article. Article is one of the most common and important topic in English basic grammar which you have to know. Article occurs before noun and it tells us the reference of the noun is specific or not. There are two types of article, definite article and indefinite article. Definite articles refers to the and indefinite articles refer to a or an. Indefinite articles refers to unspecific noun like a pencil, a ball, an egg. Here I will give you one more example so that you can better understand what I exactly want to mean. For example, let's read a book. Here it means that any book. It may be Ramayana, Mahabharata, Alice in Wonderland, Panchtantra, rather than a specific book. But when I say let's read the book, it means a specific book, means the book which you want to read. Suppose you want to read Mahabharata, then I am saying that you should read the Mahabharata. Prepositions is a word or a group of words used before noun to show the positions, time and place, like in, on, at, by and many more. For example, the ball is in the box. It is example of play. Sanju will come at 7 o'clock. It shows the time. There is a park just near my house. It shows the position. Next topic is subject-verb agreement. It is a very important basic grammar topic which you must need to know, because without this you can't able to construct a simple sentence. Subject-verb agreement is that a singular subject followed up by the singular verb and a plural subject followed by a plural verb. For example, a child like chocolate. Here a subject is a child and verb is what? Likes. Yes, when we say that children like chocolate, children means there are many child, and that's why we use plural verb, that is only like. One more example. Suresh plays football. Suresh is one subject and so we use verb plays. When we say Suresh and Ram play football, it means there is a two subjects. That's why we use verb as only play, plural verb, play. Tense of a verb show the time of action. It show whether the action take place in the present or in the past or in future. There are three types of tense: present tense, past tense, future tense. Present tense refers to present time. It means now or the time of speaking or writing. For example, cow eats grass. The boy sleeps. Past tense refers to the action that took place before the present. For example, cow ate grass. I made a sandwich. Future tense is a verb that describe an action or event that has not happened yet but is expected to happen. In future tense, we always use will. For example, cow will eat grass. Karan will drink milk tomorrow. When you read tenses, along with tenses, you must need to read the three forms of verb like go, went, gone, do, did, done. When you are willing to learn a speaking skill, then you must need to know the continuous tenses. That is the present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. Present continuous means the action which is going on. For example, the cow is eating grass. Past continuous refers to action that had taken place or continued for some time in past. For example, the cow was eating grass. It is formed with helping verb be, was, were and verb plus ing. The structure of future continuous is will plus be plus verb plus. For example, the cow will be eating grass. I will be driving car at 10 o'clock. In this video, I am talking about the basic English grammar which you need to know when you are willing to speak or write something. I hope that this video will be help you a lot. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like, share and subscribe button. Thank you. Vande Mataram.